Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself and my people. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, I'm here to talk about a story, about an incident that occurred yesterday, my people, Thursday, December the 5th, 2024, where a female was cut down. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Well, my people, this female, well, a lot of people know as Ashley, you understand? And this incident occurred right in a Andrew's pen, Barbican in a St. Andrew, my people. During this incident, a male was also cut down, my people, and them say like 2 or 3 other persons managed to get gunshot wound, my viewers and subscribers. Well, one of the sad thing about this incident, my people, is the location where this incident occurred, where Ashley was cut down. Because them say Ashley's son, my people, because she get cut down and want shop, right at Andrew spend this as me tell a Barbican, my people. Them say her son, a few weeks ago, her son was cut down at the same location alongside 2 other persons, my viewers and subscribers. You understand? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Well, my people, right now them say it's like a gang vibes are going, a feud, high tension feud. And all of these killing will occurred at this low place, my people, is just a reprisal for other incidents that do occurred, my people. Well, my viewers and subscribers, Ashley, she was gearing up, my people, to lead her son to rest, my people, this Sunday. This Sunday we are come. So Sunday, we are going to be December the 8th, 2024, my people. That is the day where our son to be laid to rest. And as me tell you, upon the Thursday, the 5th, them cut her down at the same location where our son get cut down. Well, my viewers and subscribers, and based on when me hear from close source, Ashley and her son, them did have a close bond. You understand? A close relationship. Not because you don't know in a life a mother and son, because you have a lot of mother, and son, just like mother and daughter and thing. And them not have that type of close relationship, them a people. But she and her son was so close. So them say in her heart, in her side, my people, sometimes she just guard the location, you know what I mean, and just think, and then tears just start come her eye when she remembered her son, my people. So during this moment or during this time, my people, you know what I mean, she could be there doing the same thing. When the perpetrators, the killers, them just roll up and say, look at man, a year time now, you are going to go down now, my people. Well, my viewers and subscribers, based on other alleged information, they must say, yo, look here, the son was the target where them did want and them get him. But it seem like, my people, them have something against the mother too. You don't know the thing, go. A mother lose her son, my people, boy, she got pretty different. She got think different. Especially if she hears a look at a man, and know say them set a man there around that's responsible for my son. You don't know the part they got, my people. Well, I'm just saying, my viewers and subscribers. But John know, Ashley gone, my people. Well, Ashley, well, other people know because them say she was also a bartender, my people, during her life and her career, my people. She was also a party goer who loved to party and enjoy herself. Always put herself together, you understand? Put her on her nice hairstyle and her nice clothes and touching at the party. Yo, she'd be somebody we have to talk about because she always look good, my people. But the sad thing is, my people, Ashley, she is no longer with us, my viewers and subscribers. And that's how a lot of people are talking about. And not just say she'd have one child, my people, which is her son. She also has other children to my people. So you know, so them the children they know have to mourn the last, you understand, of their mother, because now them have to live without their mother, my people. And me don't know how the father side go with them. But all me know, it's a sad situation, my people. from throughout this year, my people, we hear them talk a lot of things and them say, yo, crime has dropped. You understand? It's not high like previous years and thing, my people. But the whole sad situation about this, and every time they do make this speech, is that people are still dying. People are still being killed across our country. You understand? I want to get up and hear them say, look at the man, wow, it's the best we ever seen in Jamaica. For the past 6 months, we have no murders across our country. You understand? Those are the days where everybody who wants to see peace, who wants to see people live good together, I hope for some people. But when or how? You understand? And honestly, my viewers and subscribers, I'm not going to say if a different, you understand, member of parliament, prime minister come in power, this I got stop. Because the corruption is done, illustrated there already, my people. It's done, plagued there already. You understand? The youth, their mind done corrupt already. You know what I mean? The system done corrupt them already. But, you know what I mean? Them thing, it a go, like, on a real level, my people, it's going to be so hard to get rid of this thing. But what I say, I think they can implement different structures, different methods where these things can be reduced more, my people. But if a man a think about if he got strike or do something, he must think twice, unless you understand him not think about a future, have no plans, which you don't know so a lot of criminals don't, my people. But the sad thing about it, my people, another female has lost her life. Another. Just imagine this, my people. She was there, gearing up, preparing, you understand, she go laid her son to rest. She get ready, you know, my people. And then this go happen now. Honestly, imagine this funeral of her son. What they going to do? They're still going to keep the funeral. The mother who was supposed to be there, who should be responsible. You understand, my people? She has been gone. So that's one heap of thing, my people. And based on other thing what me can hear a lot, them as a lot of people who are members from the community where these incidents have been occurring, my people. They must say, look here, we not stay us up for the Christmas. We are going to make a move, we are roll out because the way how things said, it's not a good look, my people. You understand? So people, in themselves, nobody no want life, you know. Everybody want to live life, you know. There's nothing more precious than life and live it to my people. I want to live, you want to live. You understand? But the sad part about these things, my people, is that when you can't. Because God bless us all with one life, my people. You know what I mean? One life we got. And it does sad for know, so you're so easy. Somebody just can't come forward and just take out the 3 points like that so easy. And me always tell them, so look here. You know how I put in a self, you know. We don't not put yourself in a gang membership. We don't not put yourself in a robbery. You know what I mean? No one has put on yourself in a. Because the thing is now, you can't do get caught up and pay the price. You know what I mean? What type of price now go pay with no life or one go to go prisoner or what? But think about your loved ones too. Think about your loved ones. Think about your thing say this youth our son, Ashley's son now, in himself. You understand? Wish him gone. Him dead, there's nothing him can do. You know what I mean? Him done, him finished for now. Until when Jack return back and do it. You know what I mean, the people? So you feel say in himself, him that want to see nobody take out him mother 3 points. But what him can do? And then you got here say it's all based on the fact where he was caught up in that this and that and that and that. You understand? We should know that these are all alleged information, my people. But all I'm saying is, my people, something may not go exactly like how them say it going on. I'll tell you know all the while, but there it can have a, you know what I mean, the people? It ain't here figure so. But all me can say, yo, the youth them are peace, you know, yo. You understand? The bag of senseless killing, the bag of war thing, the bag of violence thing, yo, it don't make no sense. But you hear them some people, reprisal. And you know that go. Other people are mourn for them loved ones to do. And then, you know what I mean, my people, so only Jah sees and he knows, yo. Only Jah sees and he knows. So people, big up on yourself, you know. More love, more blessings, and more respect. And thank you all for the love, for the support, for the like, for the share, and every comments of people. I don't know, like the video. It's so important when I press like. You know. That thumbs up, just press it, man. And if you want to give a contribution to the channel, check below in the description. We have a PayPal link, my people. Follow me on all social media platforms, X, you understand, Facebook, on TikTok, on IG, Instagram, New Link Production Official. A one team of people, a one dream, a one scheme, and a one attacking boss. Just stay safe and just do the right thing and just stay blessed. Peace out. Big up. Attack. Attack them, New Link. I'm out.